reducing drying time and making hair healthy. Terumiu Dry Glove. 1. After it is prepared for drying, the glove is put on. 2. With the hand with the glove put on, your hair is dried by being rubbed between hair from the inside of the hair. 3. It is finished after the hair is rubbed to the end. Drying time can be saved half than that with the towel. Dry dogs fast and smoothly by touching them just like massage. If a dryer and the glove are used together, moisture can be evaporated much faster.